Hey all! In this video, we're going to learn how to assemble the chassis for our autonomous robot. For it, you will need the red frame, the packet with columns, bolts, and nuts, 2 wheels, 2 Phytech FS90R continuous servo motors, this clear plastic plate with the Arduino logo on it, and this Phillips head screwdriver. Oddly, the first thing we have to do is take apart a component of the chassis. These will often ship with the battery packs on the underside, so we're going to unscrew these 2 bolts and loosen the battery pack. Then you can move it to the top side, turn it over, and then tighten those bolts back down onto the battery pack. These don't need to be extremely tight. You can hand tighten them, and then if you want, you can remove the battery and then tighten them down with the screwdriver a little bit, but don't feel like you need to. The next component to add are the rear columns and the Arduino platform, which are these gold columns and this plastic board. First, take these gold columns and unscrew the screws and bolts. Screws and nuts. Take these short screws and insert them through this small platform right here on the plastic piece, and then take these gold columns and screw them right on there. They're not made of actual gold, so don't get too excited. Then you'll slide them right in this slot right here on the back of the robot and just hand tighten them into place. If you want to get them tighter, you can rotate this gold part while holding this to tighten them on. So rotate the gold column to tighten it in place, and then screw in the top with a screwdriver. Again, fairly tight, not super tight. Oop, that needs to be. Next, we want to add the servo motors to the chassis. We want the white plastic pieces to be towards the front of the robot. So we'll insert them like that, and then take these small nuts and bolts in this bag, these small ones right here. I've found that it's very hard to insert the bolts from the outside of the robot inside, and much easier to insert them this way, and it should end up working just fine. So have the bolts go from the inside to the outside and then tighten them down. And you're going to want 2 of them. And again, you want both of the white plastic pieces towards the front of the robot. Oop. Yeah. If you can get them in the other way, that's fine, but it's not necessary, and I found it's very difficult. Once you get these hand tightened, you may want to take this screwdriver. You can narrow it up a little bit by taking the white part off, and then you hold this hold the nut in place, and then turn the bolt a little bit, and you should be able to tighten it down. You want these relatively tight. Don't go crazy, but you don't want them to wobble too much. And then take the other one, and again, we want this white part of the servo motor towards the front of the chassis. Uh-oh. Next, we'll want to add wheels onto the servo motors. So we can take these wheels out of the bag, take these sharp screws, pop the wheels right onto this white plastic part. It should stay on without the screw, but you want to screw it in place to keep it in place much more robustly, and then just screw these right into the white plastic part of the servo motor, like so. And if your wheel came without the tire on, you can just pop the rubber tire right onto the plastic wheel. And then you're all set. Just set that on there, put that in there, and then drill it right in place. The last piece we need to add are these front columns, which we'll use to mount the whiskers. We're going to attach these similar to the rear columns, except we're just going to have this Phillips head on the top and not touch that for now. But we'll take these bolts off right here of these screws or bolts. I don't know if they're bolts or not, but put them on, take those nuts off, and then rotate this in place. So that it'll stay right there. And we just do this with both of them. And that's it. That's all we need to do for this activity. So yeah, thanks so much for watching along with me, and that's how you put together your autonomous robot.